What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Mary, and I'm coming to you today with a mink hair weave review. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, but basically, I was just looking for different vendors and stuff, and I have been looking at this site for like 2 months, looking at reviews. I got a mix of reviews, but you never know until you try yourself. I ordered this hair on Friday. It takes about 3 days to come. It's Monday, so it was supposed to come at 10:30. It actually came at 8 o'clock. Came via FedEx shipping. I opened it already. I wanted to do like a review of when I got it in and all down the line and all that other stuff, but I was gonna be forgetting to do bits and pieces of it. So now I see why people do their videos like this. The hair came in this package. Like I said, I opened it already. It had a rubber band around it right here so that the hair doesn't fall down. And then once you take the hair out of the package, the air just came out. It also has a rubber band here so it doesn't fall down. This is a 22-inch. I'm not going to use that one because I already played with that one already. This is a 24-inch. I'm with a mess. I don't feel good. And I gotta wash my hair and stuff. That's why I got this hat on. I'm probably not gonna get this hair installed until Thursday because of my work schedule. It comes with a net on it. It smells like hair that you get from anywhere where you order hair. It smells like hair from the hair store. Like it just smells like hair. It's kind of thick. It's a little heavy. This is what my hands are ashy. This is what the ends look like. Move too close to the camera. When I run my fingers through it, I don't get no type of hair, like no strands or anything like that. It's real bouncy. I don't get no strands or nothing. It just smell like hair. That's what the weft looks like. Ooh, I'm about to drop it on the floor. I saw a lot of people say that they get sometimes when they send them hair, they send lashes in this style, the E89, but I actually ordered these. I don't know if I'm gonna wear them though. That's a little bit too much lash for me. I also ordered the headband for when I do my edges. This is folded in half, so it's about this long, folded in half. I don't know if that's gonna be enough for somebody with a big head, but the lashes came wrapped in this bubble wrap. It was like super wrapped. It was like super duper wrapped. Excuse my fingernails. And then all of it came in this, which I think you can get different colors on the site, as well as the headband. This is supposed to be the rose gold color. I mean, it's a little more pink to me, but everybody got, different opinions on color. It's supposed to be the rose gold color. I did not order a closure or frontal because it's just not my style. I'm not disciplined for that. And we'll see if this is really some good hair, because I do not take care of hair. I usually just throw it away after I am done with it. My hair lasts about 3 weeks to a month. Just because my hair just doesn't last. Even when I get braids, and I don't know, it's like I'm allergic to weave or something. My hair just itches so bad. This is the 20-inch. The longest, I had one set of bundles that I ordered from a girl in my city. I used them, I want to say like 5 times, may have been 6, over the course of a year. Mind you, I don't take care of hair. All I had to do was boil their hair with some conditioner, brush it out, let it dry, and it was still perfectly fine. This is the 20-inch. It's a little more brown to me. I don't know. It looked rather brown. I'm used to getting bundles and them being a little bit darker, just a little. But this is fine too, because my hair is actually auburn. So again, not getting no hair strands, no nothing. It doesn't stink, it just smells like hair. I'm probably not going to wear this body wave look. I don't know. It's really soft. The only thing, it says free shipping on the site, and I was charged $12 for shipping, which, okay, fine, whatever. And I emailed the girl Jada, and I'm like, hey, just letting you know, it says free shipping. I was charged $12. Whatever. She was like, that's because you ordered the lashes and the headband. I'm like, okay, that's fine, or whatever. But when I went back and just did with the bundles, it still said $12 shipping. With FedEx, it comes through FedEx. And I was asleep. I was not expecting them to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. It said 10:30. Saturday, this hair was still in China. Saturday morning, it was still in China. I ordered it Friday night. No, you know what? I ordered it at like 1 o'clock in the morning, Friday morning. They were still asleep in China. Saturday, it was still in China. And then later on throughout the day, I checked when I came from my family reunion. The hair was in Memphis, Tennessee. And it was still in Memphis, Tennessee Saturday night when I went to sleep. So I was not expecting this hair to be here at 8 o'clock this morning. It's now Monday. And it said that it was expected to be delivered at 10:30 Monday morning today. It came at 8 o'clock. So it does have fast shipping. I watch a lot of reviews and people say that's why they order it. Um, Along with the price, this hair was $156. I got a 20, 22, and 24 inch. This is not a sponsored video. I go to work. I work hard for my money, and I paid for this hair with my own money. Um, it was $156. These lashes are cute. It's just a little bit too much lash for me, honey. Just a little bit too much lash for me. It has, y'all, my hands are ashy. Excuse my hands and my fingernails. I haven't washed my hair yet and I've been scratching in my head. It has plastic all on it. I do kind of like the bag. I like the idea of it. The headband, I don't know. Should have just got black. I hate pink. Absolutely hate pink. Should have just got a black headband. It doesn't come with, like, you know how a lot of hair companies stick a pamphlet in the bag, tell you how to take care of the hair, things like that. I did read up on the site though, and don't quote me because I'm not sure, but I think it said it if maintained properly, hair can last up to 2 years or longer if you maintain it properly. Should have just got straight hair. Like, there's nothing wrong with this hair. It's just last year I started wearing straight hair and I actually like that better. I just get body wave because it's more versatile. You can wear it curly, you can wear it straight, you can curl it actually. Um you can wear it straight or you can wear it in the natural body wave state. So yeah. But I don't know. I should have just got straight. I will be back with another video after I install this hair. I know a lot of people say that and they don't. I was researching this hair before I spent my money on it. There weren't really a lot of good videos, and the ones that I was seeing that they were constantly doing videos on this company, minkhairweave.com, on their different types of styles of hair. I just feel like, I don't know, maybe you got paid to do those videos. I don't know. The videos weren't really the quality of review that I would have preferred. So I'm just gonna do my own. But like I said, I should be getting it installed on Thursday or Friday. It is Monday now. Any questions or anything that you guys may have, leave them down in the comment box. And subscribe. And I'll be back with more reviews on this hair as time goes by. Like I said, we'll know if it's good hair or not because I do not take care of hair. So